Okay. Hello folks. So yeah, I'm back out in the woods in a permission woodland that I have. We're actually at the Stegosaurus shelter. This is Lolly, my puppy boxer, and this is her first visit to this particular woodland. I'm slowly trying to get her used to camping. We took her camping in the summer, my wife and I. Yeah, we're not going to camp tonight. We just come to spend the day in the woods because Lolly's not really seen a fire and things like that. So I want to associate, you know, being in the woods with something good because she's got a bit of a nervous character. So I want to get her used to the fire. I'm going to cook some steak and eggs and stuff. Do a little bit of sort of, you know, traditional cooking and share food with her so that she associates coming out in the woods with, you know, treats, as it were. That's the purpose. That's the purpose of today, just to get her used to doing stuff in the woods, hanging about, being static, not walking, you know what I mean? So hopefully she'll chill by the fire, she'll get some treats and all that sort of thing. But yeah, I say, I've got some steak, got some eggs, got a bit of Bannock mix, so we're going to mess about and do a bit of that. I've got a new knife I'm going to play with. This is our first time, oh, this is my first time in the woods for a little bit. I've been ill. We've had the virus sweep through our house, so I'm just about on my feet. Carly's still a little bit tired, so yeah, we're going to head home before dark and sleep in a bed. And yeah, if I hadn't said, Mrs. CLB's here. I say this is a permission wood, and that is my Stegosaurus shelter that I built. I think I built it in the spring. It's nice to see it's still here. Still looks reasonably waterproof as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna get a fire going in front and get some lunch cooking. A bit of oak, so I'm going to cut a couple of bits and then split them down with a knife. Oh yeah, easy peasy. It's warm today, it's October, and I'm down to a t-shirt, I'm sweating. I think this is the last hurrah of the heat before the cold sets in. But yeah, fire's prepped, we're going to light it, give it a chance to get down to coals before we cook, give Lolly a chance to get used to it before we start throwing food at it, and yeah, give us a chance to chill. We've got a pile of wood. We've got a fire lay, and then Lolly's got her own little pile going on over there.
Thank you. Turn that one too.
For this I've used a little bit of green wood, but it's hazel, so it's not going to hurt the tree because it's a tree that likes to be coppiced. And yeah, just going to take off the excess leaves, pointy bits. I cut it on a slight angle there so I can stick that in the ground, and if I just peel the bark off of this end, then I can wave this in the fire to give it a little clean, and then wrap the bread around it, and all will be well. Hello. Yes. Right. Just going to burn these a little bit. Kill any bacteria, which is the reason I took off the bark, just to get rid of bacteria, but it doesn't hurt to flash them in the fire. Is there a dog's bum in the way? Channeling her inner thing.
She's getting there.
Right, so this is what I've got. I just made it at home because it's a messy thing. This is essentially flour, baking powder, a little bit of melted butter and water. And yeah, I'm going to try and wrap it around them sticks and put it over the fire without getting too mucky. I did bring some gloves, didn't I?
Really keeps eyeing up the steak.
Yeah, I know. I'll watch that. let's have a go. You get out of it. It's making a schlong. Bannock schlong. All steady. Right, so that's one. Looks alright, like that. Might look awful by the time I finish with it. Right, number 2.
Hands of blue.
2x2 hands of blue. This is obscene.
Yeah. Big grin. Yeah.
Right. Oh, steady, I'm losing it. Quick, give me a stick. Right. There we go. Oh lovely, that was almost a thumbnail. A pair of Bannocks. The problem with that is, they look like they might fall, so
They look cool.
I might weight them down, put something under the bottom. It's a bit better.
Yeah.
That'll do. No idea how long they'll take to cook. I'm reckoning half hour, 45 minutes at least, which is, you know, why we got them on early. Waiting for the coals to burn down, and then we'll do some steak and eggs. Kettle will be boiled in a minute. Let's say hello to Mrs. CLB. Look at these two.
I'm going to have to go camping.
She likes it, doesn't she?
She does. She's just really cute. When she's with you, she'll just follow you everywhere. She seems to have flour on her nose though.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. She seems quite settled.
She just likes it.
Yeah.
She's not fussed by all the bangs and stuff. Like
No.
bird scarers and shoots are going on, like way in the background, but that would have scared her before.
Yeah.
You're a good girl, aren't you?
You're all brave.
Yeah.
You're all
Don't
brave.
come over this way.
You've got flour on your nose, haven't you? Yeah, so what was I going to say? Yeah, we took Lolly camping in the spring, but she
She was keen.
yeah, the deer barking really scared her, and any sort of sudden bangs and crashes, she wasn't dealing with that very well. But she's getting bigger. How old is she now?
She's 10 months now.
10 months.
Still well.
So I think hopefully by next spring she'll be wanting to come camping. I do a few more day trips with her where I feed her steak and stuff and just build up that association, because we take her to the pub, which is full of people and noise and all, and she loves going in there, but mostly because the landlord keeps a big jar of bonios on the bar, so she associates it with food. So yeah, that was the point of the exercise today. She seems alright.
Yeah. She's curious.
This is chestnut woods, this one, and they're dropping around us because it's start of autumn. So yeah, looking out what we're going to get clocked on the head by a chestnut. There is one.
She's not bothered by them though, like walking on them.
This is what's falling from the tree, and yeah, if they land on you, it's quite painful. Right, I think kettle's boiled. Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Okay. And we're almost at steak cooking time. I think the bannock's going to be a later on thing. I think it's going to take forever.
Oh, I don't know.
I'll lower it down a bit as the fire dies down. Anyway, yeah. Tea.
Yes, please. She quite likes the eating the chestnuts.
Right, I think we're about ready to cook some steak and eggs. So we're going to do caveman steak and caveman eggs. So we've got a nice charcoal grill to cook on. The bannock's just about done. Just get rid of any dust. Put the eggs right on the edge here in this little section. Make a little hole in said egg. Just pop it in the heat. Oh my god, that's warm. That's the eggs. And we've got a pair of ribeye steaks. One there. And one there. So steaks will only take a couple of minutes. The eggs probably 5-10 minutes, but we'll let the steaks rest while the eggs finish. Keep turning them. Aye, that's hot. I thought that was salt and pepper, but it's coffee. Just a bit of salt and pepper. I'll save a bit for the other side when we turn them. Keep these moving round.
They're looking really good.
They are, aren't they? Surprisingly so. I think they've sort of stopped cooking. There's not that much heat there now, but they feel alright. Just... Ow! Okay. Lunch is served. I forgot a spork of any kind, so we've got nothing to eat with, so we're really going primitive. Fingers are the thing. Can't reach in that chair.
Got this one?
No, that's right. Right, where do we start? Should we see what the bannock's like?
Yeah. That was really enthusiastic, wasn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it's cooked.
Oh, it looks lovely.
Look at that. That's awesome.
Oh, that's really hot. Oh, wow.
So that's your bannock noodle.
Thank you.
That's
Bannock noodle. That's really hot.
It is hot. Ooh.
Lisa, please, can I try some? Oh my god.
You can't see it, but blooming sun's in the way. But look at that. That come out all right.
Oh, that's lovely.
Mmm.
Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Nice.
Hot, but lovely. Oh, really nice. Mmm.
So if I cut steak into strips.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh, I hit it.
That's right.
I'm sticking in the bannock. Ooh, it's knocking me over.
Oh, eggshell everywhere. I think it's just dive in and eat what you can.
Oh, okay.
Right, Ollie.
She's been so good.
Up. Up. Mmm. Well, this is called steak. You want to try?
Good girl.
Mikey, I think she likes it. Mmm.
Oh, it's got to stop with it. Ow!
Good lunch.
On that bit. Ow.
Ollie? Nice, eh?
She's loving the bannock. What is it?
So we can get a bit of egg out. Oh, I dropped it on the stick. Egg on toast.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Yeah.
Bit steak.
You good? Kiss. That's good.
She's got a taste for it now.
Yep.
Her foot's coming up. She's like, yes, please.
Nice, eh?
She's like, I'll come camping all the time with you. I really like that. It's quite a natural flavour. These two together.
Yeah, I think Bannock comes from Scotland. So traditionally it's either sort of pan-fried or you know, you can bake it in the oven just as a kind of flatbread thing. But yeah, it's a very old recipe. I think the sort of the natives, as it were, would eat this near enough with every meal, and you can see why, because it fills you up. And, yeah, I think you can do it sweet or savoury. I think when I did it before, I put sugar and cinnamon in it.
I was going to say, I'm sure you did cinnamon.
I think I did it on the fire at home.
I think you did it when we went out with Jimmy and Tink in the morning. because you flipped it
Oh, what, in
and
the
it was
frying pan?
really black on one
Oh,
side.
right, yeah.
But I can't remember. I'm sure that was Bannock. That was nice.
So that's lunch. Very nice it is too.
Thank you.
Not bad for no real cooking implements. You know, you can get a decent meal, steak, eggs and bread with pretty much just a knife. The bread is divine. 500 points. I was talking to Lee and he said the word divine is so pretentious. Anytime anyone uses it, they score 500 points.
Oh, quite divine.
Right. Yeah, good. A bit of bread. Nice, eh?
Oh,
Yeah, that's it from us for now. We're going to eat. Yes. That's mine. Yes.
I like that. She's probably like...
We're going to eat and then
Can you tell who gives her all the food?
chill and enjoy the woods.
And she'll just hold on to your hand.
And incidentally, the only tools I've had here today has been my little folding saw and this knife, which has done the majority of the donkey work. And yeah, this is the Beavercraft BSH3. I've been sort of testing it over the last few weeks. I'm not going to bore you too much with it here, but I'll link a video up there that's just specifically about this knife. Shut up! But yes, there's a link just there or in the description for that knife. I've been testing it and yeah, it's an awesome knife and it's 40 quid. It's ridiculous. Anyway, gonna have coffee and then we're gonna clear off. Cheers. You had a nice day in the woods?
Yes.
Good.
Needed it.
Yeah. But yes, we're going to clear up. We're going to leave no trace because that's what we do. Excess water's going on the fire. Fire will be buried. We'll be clearing up. We'll be replacing leaves exactly where they were.
Dolly's favourite bit.
But yes, thank you for watching this video. It's been a fun day out. Lolly's enjoyed herself.
Lolly's do well.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, Lolly.
Cheers. Good health,
Good girl.
everyone. Glad you're feeling better.
And you.
Thanks, man. Love you guys.
Be nice.
Be nice. What?
You know what, because you're grinning.
T. TW.
That one.
Right.
Right. That's annoying.
Never mind. Right, goodbye. See you later.
Oh, gormless mode. Look at her. She's probably chilled. My phone's on the floor. Good girl.
Chill doggo. Chilled doggo enjoying the woods.
Happy
You look so
in the
grown up.
woods.
So grown up, puppy girl.
Isn't she?
Yes, you do. Say goodbye.
Say ta-ra.
Ta-ra, whack. Sausages.